welcome to Johnny English. So continuing this discussion about pronunciation and the sound of English words, particularly when they occur at certain times in sentences between other words. So today I want to talk about the past tense of to be, were and was. Now yesterday we mentioned were and how to say that correctly, were, with this shape of your mouth, to get the correct sound of in English. Now these two words, when spoken in a sentence, take on this same sound of schwa, this sound. So when you see the word was, it looks like W-O-Z, was, and were looks like it looks W-U-R, were. But when we say it in a sentence, it takes on schwa, this unvoiced, unstressed sound. So I was at Svajim today. I was. So this sound, I was. So when you hear it spoken quickly, it changes from was to was. Was. And the same with were. It changes from were, W-U-R, to were. We were. We were recording some voiceovers for instructional videos. So I was in Svajim at a recording studio, and we were recording some voiceover recordings for instructional videos. So just listen out for that. Again, as I said to you before, and I've said many times, that language is 50-50, speaking and listening. If you listen, you can hear the language, then you're much better placed to understand how to repeat it and to understand what's being said to you. And that way you'll hear the language better, you'll feel the language, and your language will be improved, and you'll feel more natural and more confident in speaking English. So thanks again, and I look forward to next time.